Those first young men were the pioneers, the aviators, building superhighways in an unknown sky, leaving wives and children in their snug homes with just a kiss and a promise to return. Roaring into the clouds to battle wind and stars. Their safety systems built of brain and heart. They landed where there were no lights, transforming strange names from tall tales into pictures on postcards home. And those next young men, traveling further, faster, higher than any in history. And the ones who followed them, who skinned the edge of space, the edge of heaven, the edge of dreams.
Speedbird 1, Speedbird 1. Clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff.
And we follow them up there to live by an unbreakable promise. The same 4 words stitched into every uniform of every captain who takes their command. To fly, to serve.